Hello everyone, this is Kat from concrete5 Japan, and I'd like to introduce you the shell script that I made to make it easy to upgrade concrete5. So I made it available on GitHub, so please come visit github.com/katsueno/concrete5-upgrade-shell, which you see on this title. So I maintain concrete5 Japan, and we have a business, concrete5 Japan Inc., and help my client also maintain their concrete5 site. And it is sometimes troublesome to upgrade individual concrete5 site. So if you have a SSH access terminal, and it will be quicker to make a shell script and run it, and made it my life easier. So that's how I made this shell script, and I made it available open source MIT license. And if you've tested and you see some bug and error, please let me know or send us a pull request or write us an issue. But anyway, let me introduce what to do, how to use this script. So first, what you really need is just one source code, which is concrete5-upgrade.sh. So you either download the zip file. You could clone it and save it somewhere else, fork it and stuff, or you could just click concrete5-upgrade-shell.sh file and copy and paste onto your text file. You can even click roll button here and then open up the roll version of the shell and save it onto your PC, whatever. Then you need to modify the variable of the first 10 lines of the shell script. Then you're ready to go. So first option is now time. It will add the server time of the backup zip file. Then where is concrete5 is to indicate where is concrete5 located on your server. Then concrete5 package download is to indicate where is the latest version of, or your desired version of concrete5 is located at. And you also set the folder name of that package. Usually concrete5 package contains in the concrete5 folder plus version, so you need to just rename it if you're gonna use different version. I'll try to maintain this GitHub to the latest version, so if you just need the latest version, I usually update within a day or two, business day, to the latest version of concrete5 anyway. Then concrete5 working directory name is where this script puts the new concrete5 zip file temporarily, or once it finish upgrading, it will store older concrete5 core and language files in it. So you could set the directory name, whatever. Then where to save is where to save your backup file. And the following option will be used if you choose to use the backup your file. So this shell script actually do upgrade, but before it upgrades, it also backup the MySQL database and also your concrete5 file. So file name is the prefix of the backup zip file. Then MySQL server is the MySQL server information. MySQL name is the database name of your MySQL, and MySQL user is you enter MySQL username. Then MySQL password is the MySQL password. As a default, I comment out the MySQL password. Sometimes you don't want to save the password in the shell just in case, so you could comment it out and enter it every time you run the backup. But you know, if you are lazy and then you're sure that you're storing this shell script in at a secure location, you could remove the comment and then enter the MySQL password. Then you can execute the MySQL backup easily. So that's all. You need to set it up, your concrete5 server information. Then upload it onto the server via SSH, and you're ready to go. So here you go. I have the latest version. 575 concrete5 57513 install here on my local. So I'm going to run the upgrade command. So you just cd to wherever the concrete5 is, then I will run the shell script through your terminal or SSH. So this is how you run it. sh space the name of the shell script that you named it yourself. Then you have 4 options. First option, backup option. So whether you want to backup or you just want to backup files folder, you just want to backup files and packages folder, you want to backup entire concrete5 including the core, or you just need to backup the database. So you have those options. That's the first option. Second option, delete or do not delete. This shell script will create working directory to store the zip files or older version of the concrete5 after you finish upgrading. But you could choose to delete or do not delete those working directly option. So that's that. Third option, run upgrade or don't run upgrade option. So if you are trying to upgrade concrete 5.7 and earlier, you cannot run upgrade because concrete5 command line tools is not equipped with this upgrade command. So you need only the version that you can use run upgrade is the concrete5 version 8 and above. And as a default option, is files option. It backs up the MySQL database and the files. Second option is keep the directory, don't delete option. Keep the working directory option. Third option, it runs upgrade. So just to make my demo quicker, so I won't back it up, but I will set to delete the working directly, and I will set to run the upgrade. But since run upgrade is the default option, I actually don't have to write the run upgrade option, but I'm just gonna do it for the demo. And the fourth option, you could set it to run as a relative path or absolute path, because I had the experience that some server don't support the relative path. So sometimes you have to type the absolute pass. Like when especially you run this shell using Curon or something. So, but I'm going to skip that force option. So here you are. So sh option concrete5 upgrade script, and let's run it. Alright, so now it's fetching the latest version of concrete5 as it is today. It's 8.0.3, and it's downloading from the concrete5 server. You could place it somewhere near your server too, to if then change the config. Then it runs. Once you finish downloading concrete zip file, it unzip and replace the core concrete directly. Then it's gonna run the upgrade script. So it will prompt you to whether to proceed the upgrade or not. So you must enter yes at this version. I may consider skipping that, but if you're gonna run this upgrade and click Y, then enter, then concrete5 will run command line tools upgrade option. Then it will run the upgrade. Just sit back and relax. And delete the working directly, and done. So let's check. Refresh. Okay, still working. And this page, refresh. Cool. Now I upgraded the site to 8.0.3. So this is the demo of concrete5 upgrade shell. So I hope this shell script will make your life easier. And then if you have any suggestion or bug, if you find some bug, please send me a pull request or send me an issue. If you need assistance, we will provide the paid service as well. Alright, thank you very much. This is Katz from concrete5 Japan. Thank you.